AI chatbots help plumbers book jobs by answering customer questions instantly, capturing contact details and scheduling appointments straight into the plumber's calendar, even when the plumber is busy on another job or asleep at night. Think of a chatbot like a friendly helper who never gets tired and never takes a day off. When someone visits a plumbing website or sends a text message asking about a leaky faucet, the chatbot jumps in right away and asks simple questions like what the problem is, where they live, and when they need help. It then takes that information and either books a time slot automatically or sends it straight to the plumber's phone so they can follow up fast. Here is something most people do not know. Studies show that most homeowners will call the very next business on the list if nobody answers within 5 minutes. That means a plumber who used to lose jobs simply because they could not answer the phone while under a sink is now catching those same customers because the chatbot responded in seconds. This is not about replacing a real person, it is about making sure no customer ever gets ignored just because timing was bad. One common mistake is thinking a chatbot needs to sound like a robot. Customers trust it more when the chatbot uses a warm, human tone, so plumbers should choose one that can be customized with friendly language. Another mistake is setting it up once and forgetting about it. Chatbots work best when the plumber updates the services, pricing ranges, and available time slots regularly so customers get accurate answers. A lot of people also worry that a chatbot will feel impersonal, but the smart move is to have it collect details and then have a real person call back within a short window, which keeps that personal touch while still saving time. If you need help with a project, search for trusted, affordable local contractors at www.bighomeprojects.com. You can also download our app, Joe by Tier, where homeowners and property owners can list jobs and have home service experts and contractors reach out and message you back with their estimates.